Welcome back to the WealthX project channel, everyone. My name is Michael and I wanted to start a new series on my YouTube channel where I actually analyzed Bitcoin price and the markets, the sentiment, overall sentiment, etc. So let me know in the comments if you like this idea and if you want me to continue or not. Other than that, let's get on to my computer. And just before we start, I have started doing a copy trading. You can actually copy my trades for free, completely for free. There is a 10% profit share right now. So if you want to do this, then what you need to do is click the link in the video description. Go to the first link here, copy trades, and this will take you to my Discord group where you can actually view the instructions, how to join, all the links, etc. And you can also see all the results. I update these weekly. So go through these and I'll definitely recommend, because I expect the growth on account about 20 to 30% per month. So definitely worth it. Other than that, let's move on and analyze the market. So let's start with the weekly time frame. Bitcoin is about to break out. This is all looking good. However, I do have some concerns about RSI being just below the average line here, and the MACD being here as well. So right now the price is 71,000. It's all looking good. However, my main concern is that sometimes we actually see the bounces. More often than not, we see those bounces, the blue line bounces off the yellow line, and then we go down. Additionally, the MACD is bearish here, looks bearish. And also we are about, if we go a little bit higher, we are about to create a double top with some divergences on RSI as well. So that is not looking good. Although the price action looks good and we bounced off this parabola here, but it's the second time we are bouncing. We are above all the moving averages. And one thing that concerns me is that volume here that is actually going down since we've been in this consolidation. So this is the thing that I don't like. The price action is okay, it looks good, it looks about to break out, but those indicators, I really don't like the look of these indicators. Yes, I do realize we had this similar situation here, and we actually broke through this line and we went up significantly. However, this was a slightly different scenario on the MACD as well. So you can see we were actually consolidating here into the moving average, and then we bounced off this moving average. So right now we are below the moving average. So this concerns me a bit on the weekly time frame. Other than that, it looks extremely bullish. So let's move on to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is in consolidation. I do have a lot of things going on in this chart, but the most important thing is the RSI looks very bullish right now. MACD, we just had the cross here to the upside, which is very good as well. We are about to break this trend line, and I do realize this is on everyone's chart. However, the thing to note here, and the thing that concerns me is one: we are about to make the double top here, which is a bearish pattern if we confirm this. Now, the second thing is we have this, if we go up slightly and create a higher top here, but equal or lower top in RSI, we might create bearish divergences. So let's see how it plays out. However, the biggest thing here is the volume, okay? Because the breakout of this line needs to be validated by volume. And right now, we have broken through this diagonal line, we have broken through this horizontal line. However, the volume was really, really low. So that does not confirm the breakout here. So what I mean by this, if I just flatten this chart, if we move back in time and we can see this consolidation here, you can see that we have broken out of this parallel channel. However, we have done this on the high volume. Okay, the volume was here and we went up. Okay, so the volume was around this line here, you can see on my chart. Right now the volume is like really flat. If we move back even further, we had this period of consolidation here, and then we have broken out of this channel again. Let me just bring back this. Okay, so you can see when we were breaking out of this parallel channel, also we've seen the volume spike. Okay, here again the volume is really flat. In fact, we are actually moving up, but the volume is going down, and this is a bearish price action, which I really don't like. So it is looking good. However, if we don't break this diagonal line with volume, then it does not look good to me. Okay, it has to be broken with volume, otherwise I think it's going to be just a fake out, just my opinion. Let's move to the 4-hour chart right now. The 4-hour chart again looks decent. Okay, we still have some space on the RSI to go up. The price right now is just below 71,000. MACD is bullish. The count here is 6, so we still have plenty of space to go to the upside. So this looks bullish, providing again we can break through this diagonal line with volume. Okay, moving on to the shorter time frames. On the 1-hour chart we had the MRI top here, which took us down a little bit. As long as we don't go too far, it's okay. Now the RSI crossed the average line and is just below, so there is a chance we create more bearish divergences, because we had some bearish divergences here. If we again go up and we bounced off that moving average here on the RSI, then we may actually go significantly lower, which will be in line with the higher time frames, like for example a daily time frame and so on. So the price action looks bullish on the higher time frames, but again I don't like the look of things when it comes to the volume. Okay, if we look at this chart here, this is the CMF indicator, and the CMF indicator, we can see that the money flow is dropping actually, and we can see actually on all the time frames, the 4-day time frame, the 3-day time frame, the daily time frame as well, it's been going down since we started this consolidation really. So we need to break through this line as well with volume as well. Okay, so the only thing that I really like is that money flow indicator on the weekly time frame. However, again on this time frame we are approaching our October 21 highs again, where we actually topped and then went down. So again, it looks good, but we need to break this line very soon, and with volume. We may consolidate a little bit longer as well here, hopefully, but as long as we don't break this line with volume, we cannot really go all in. I am right now about 50% allocated to Bitcoin, waiting for either breakout with volume or lower prices. So we'll see how it goes, guys. This was the first episode. Let's actually look at SPX as well before we move on. So this is the SPX on 1 day. S&P 500, it's looking good, it's moving. This is the index, remember, because the markets are closed right now. So we had this pullback here. Again, we are on the local bottom here, which is great. We are moving up, which is great again. My worry on the 1 day time frame here is, again, we may actually fake out here, create a lower, because we already had some divergences, a lot of divergence actually here. We create a lower high on the RSI, and then we get smacked down basically. So again, we need to watch this. It does look promising because everything is moving up, but we need to see some volume on the Bitcoin price. Remember guys, if you want to copy my trades, click the link in the video description and go to my Discord group, where you will see all the instructions how to join my trades. Again, we've been doing really well. Not sure if I did show you this. If I go to results, the curve here, the profit curve, looks absolutely fantastic and it's going up, so all good. Let's look at the macro picture as well. So the crypto, the funding rates, yeah, the funding rates went down a little bit. They were really overheated yesterday, so that's a good sign. Let's see how it goes. The rainbow chart, we have plenty of space to go. This is just for fun, but again, it's been adjusted to the 2022 data. We've got all data on the chart and the targets are absolutely amazing here. Another thing that concerns me a little bit, if I go to Bitcoin here, the dealers, the asset managers are definitely long here, but the dealers here are still short. So I've been watching this chart for a very long time right now, and you can see throughout the history, if you want to study this chart, you can see that whenever we are, whenever the dealers are short, then we can't really count on the massive bull market. So hopefully these shorts, we have one more pullback or so, the shorts go down, the longs go up, and we are ready to rock and roll. Okay, the crypto fear and greed index is greed, again, does not favor the bull market and the massive move up, so let's keep an eye on that. The CB buy index is still high. It pulled back a little bit, but still high. Again, this is a long-term indicator, plenty of space to go here. So again, overall, not bad, but I think we may actually see a one more pullback just to scare everyone off, and that's it, guys. Okay, so yeah, make sure to join my copy trading. If you want to copy all my wealth strategies, then you would need to join my VIP group. We've got fantastic results. We do a lot of automations, a lot of trading, a lot of wealth strategies as well. So highly recommend you join my Discord group. This is free, and then just browse around, see what you like best, what fits your strategy. As again, if you want a completely passive solution, completely passive income, then make sure to join, to buy some WealthX project token. This is a new project of mine, where you can actually buy with your credit or debit card the token, keep it, hold it, and make money this way. Okay, so this would be everything for this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and bye bye.